Hello, good day. Presently, I am working as a local disaster management officer in a local government unit. I have a great communication skill and sound knowledge in medical practices and policies, and ability to work with others. I have also good communication skills and I can maintain clients' confidentiality. I can react effectively and calmly in emergencies. I also very much willing to deliver excellent services. I have a good organizing and planning skills and ability to understand and execute complex written and verbal instruction. My willingness and enthusiasm towards work will be a positive asset as an applicant. I already accept challenges and spend time and effort it takes time to meet my professional goals. I can definitely work under a rigorous pressure. Since my experience as a community nurse is a big challenge and a great opportunity for me to meet people, and I learned to understand their needs, especially on health issues. I am confident that my skills, dedication, attitude, and working experience will be a great contribution to your company where I continue to render my services. Thank you and good day again.